guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how can we install Dolby Atmos, which is ported from OnePlus 8, and this is called visible. So now let's get started, and I'll show you how can we flash and how's the performance. Let me show you. So first of all, your device must be rooted with Magisk Manager. Here you guys can see the Magisk Manager. Just open your Magisk Manager and go to module section, and then open you guys can see here install from storage, and we need 3 files, and which is audio compatibility patch and audio modification library Dolby Atmos OnePlus 8. So this is the important file and this is the Dolby file. So how can we flash that files? So first of all, open Magisk Manager and then go to module and then install from storage and select one by one, and audio compatibility patch. I already flashed audio compatibility patch. Let me show you that. So here you guys can see audio compatibility patch. This one I already flashed, so that's why I'm not going to flash it again. I'm just going to flash the second one, and which is audio modification library. Just select that one and it will be flashed, and now click reboot. As you can see, device booted finally, and we have to do one thing more. Open your Magisk Manager and go to module, and you guys can see audio compatibility patch and audio modification library we already installed, but we don't have Dolby Atmos here, so we need to install Dolby Atmos again. So open, and here is the Dolby Atmos file. Just open that one and let it be flashed. It will take some time. And if you face any boot loop issue, then just go to your internal storage and you will get a Dolby Atmos folder, and on Dolby Atmos folder you guys will get an installer file. Here is that, the Dolby module uninstaller zip file. Just go to your recovery and just flash this uninstaller zip, and your problem will be solved. But there is no such an issue. You guys will not face any problem. Just flash and enjoy. Just reboot system. So device booted again, and now we will check Dolby Atmos installed or not. So you guys can see here Dolby Atmos already installed in our device. So here is that, the Dolby Atmos. So just you guys can open easily Dolby Atmos. So you guys can see by default we have dynamic and movie and music, and you guys can see here earphone adjustment. And if you connect your earphones, then you guys can easily select style preferences, and let me show you that. I'm just right now, here is the earphone I'm connecting on my device, and you guys will get it no. So here you guys can see we have so many options here. Now you guys can turn this off, and you guys can select style preferences, balance, warm, notched. And if you are really used to use earphones, then you will get benefit from that system. Style preferences, balance, warm, notched. Yeah, you guys can choose any if you want to. Now let me open the earphone. So I already opened. So here you guys can see switch to speaker. So now let me play music and let me show you how does it work. Then let me play music. Where is that? Here it is. So let me play this music. This one is dynamic. Now let me select movie. So you guys can see sound already increased, and now music. So it will decrease, but it will make your sound and bass comfortable to hear. And now movie, sound increase and dynamic. The melody is good. And music, it will make your device or your ear to suitable to listen. So again you guys can see huge sound difference. So this is how it works. I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys really like that video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update.